Everyone, and good morning, almost afternoon. I am out proctoring today, so I cannot be on my microphone, but I am here in case you do have questions. You can write them into chat on over on the Blackboard, or you can send me an email. We have a few different assignments for today, and that includes watching the videos and completing your Go formative. So let's get started with what we're doing this week. On Monday, we started with the same learning targets, and we're going to continue that today. It says, I can identify supporting details in an argument, and I can distinguish between stated details that support an author's point of view, and stated details that do not. So we're going to be really talking about supporting details and what makes them important in an argument. But before we do that, we are going to get a warm up going. And our warm up today is just like on Monday or Tuesday, depending on when you had your first class this week. We're going to talk about similes and metaphors. So, after we talk about similes and metaphors, you're going to go ahead and fill out the Go formative, and then you are going to continue with the next video. So, a simile is a comparison of two things using the words like or as. And that's the biggest difference, is that it has like or as in it. Just like as sweet as pie or colorful like crayons. I'm using the word as, and I'm also using the word like. Now, when we get to a metaphor, metaphors are just like similes, but they do not use like or as. A metaphor is a word or phrase that is used to make a comparison between two people, things, animals, or places. And here are a bunch of examples. He's a night owl. Peas in a pod, Butterfingers. He's a roadhog. Those are great examples of metaphors. So go ahead and do the next few questions about what if they are similes or if they're a metaphor, and then watch the next video. Thank you so much for being here, and I look forward to reading your Go formatives.